Hello, my name is Jennie Luebke, and I am the Waterhouse Professor and Chair of the Department of Anatomy and Neurobiology at BU School of Medicine. I'm speaking to you today from the Gross Anatomy Laboratory on the 10th floor of the instructional building. As many of you know, our institution's roots stretch back to 1873, when the New England Female Medical College and Boston University merged to form the BU School of Medicine, the first coeducational medical school in the nation. At that time, there was a faculty of 11 people in 8 disciplines, including anatomy. Over the past 150 years, the training in the anatomy of the human body has been absolutely foundational for medical students. A major part of this has been the experience of cadaveric dissection in the gross anatomy lab. Each year, students and faculty spend a cumulative thousands of hours in the gross anatomy lab. Over the years, generous gifts from a number of you have supported the upgrading of the facility to serve the needs of our students very well, and for this we are extremely grateful. In recent years, 2 changes have impacted the gross anatomy lab and our ability to continue to provide world-class instruction in state-of-the-art anatomy. First, the infrastructure of the laboratory has aged, making the facility less well-equipped to allow many students to comfortably work and study in the lab. And second, there have been major technological advances in the available tools for the instruction of human gross anatomy. Addressing the need for infrastructure improvement and technology upgrades is vital and has recently been made possible by an extremely generous gift from Albert and Debbie Rosenthaler. Thanks to this gift, the Gross Anatomy Lab is undergoing major renovations this spring and summer. HVAC improvements, which will provide fresher air in the lab, are already underway. And the installation of a new ceiling with optimal lighting and hands-free surgical quality sinks will make working in the lab much more efficient and comfortable. On the technology side, the gift has enabled the purchase of state-of-the-art equipment, such as the clinical ultrasound machines. These provide students training in ultrasound visualization of structures in their own bodies and in the bodies of the donors prior to and during dissection. It has also allowed the purchase of the cutting-edge anatomage table that uses an ecosystem of 3D anatomy hardware and software to enable users to visualize anatomy at the highest level of accuracy. Medical students and graduate students in lab this year already benefited from this technology and will do so for many years to come. So I'd like to end by thanking all of you very much for your support of Boston University School of Medicine. And specifically, I thank the Rosenthalers for ensuring that Boston University School of Medicine remains at the forefront of medical anatomy instruction for decades to come. Thank you so much.